His Excellency Shri Narendra Modi, whose visionary leadership and statesman-like foresight gave rise to the declaration of this day, the International Day of Yoga.
Yoga for harmony and peace. Ngiyafisa bawethu sihlalisane kahle, masizwaneni, masiphilisaneni kahle nayo yonke imiphakathi, masithandaneni. Let us all live in harmony. Phambili ngeyoga phambili.
Who are leading our Rainbow Nation, our province of KwaZulu-Natal, and in particular leading by example, as many of them take to the mats this morning, leading to show awareness and the importance of this most sacred spiritual science of yoga.
Umnumzane nje uIshwaram Lashman okuyena umsunguli weSvananda Foundation wenza umsebenzi omkhulu kabi la emphakathini wakithi kwaZulu-Natal. Siyayiqhenya kakhulu ngaye nangemsebenzi yakhe.
Yoga Day, it means it's a day for us to celebrate yoga and how it revitalizes your mind, body and soul. So that's what it means for me.
Nganyaka 11 lo lokho esikhokhela yonke into ukudla kwengane transport everything akho ngisho isente sikhokha thina as a school. So lo mcimbi usho lukhulu kuthina and so qhubeka simsupport uIshwa ngoba naye uyasupporta ngendlela eziningi.
As a student, yoga has taught me to have a calm mindset and achieve good results.
And uthi do away with negative energies lawa enza abantu bacabanga izinto ezingasile bacabanga into ezingayiphambili. Lolu suku nje ngilibona mina luthi reflect kuwe zicinge ukuthi lento engicabanga embi iyona yini engidalelwe noma engifanelwe ukuyenza, then bisiyakuphilisa emqondweni. Uma usuphila umqondo uzophila emotionally, uphile emphefumulweni, uphile nasemzimbeni.
Ngumntwana ugandaganda ongahlehli, umfulo ongashi, ogobhoza ubusuku nemini, ihlobo nobusika kuyefana. Ngibika ezindabeni zokusakaza kuyibonana streaming eThekwini.